Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about fence dogs and what's the difference between the three types that we have out. As you can see on our table here, I've got one of each. We've got our standard fence dog, we've got our fence quad dog, and we've got our new Mk2 fence quad dog. And let me tell you the difference between the two, as if it's not too obvious. This one here is one of our first products that we came out with many moons ago. It's one of the most popular products out there, and it works perfect with our fence systems and others as well. So over the years, this has evolved from this version to this version. Now, the quad dogs was brought out that if your holes here were slightly oversized, this would not fit in there perfectly. It would like be very wobbly, and you know, it wouldn't be right for the job. Now, with regards to the quad version of it, you can put that in there, twist it, and then that locks it in place here, knowing that you've got a solid fixture for when putting your fence attached to it. The downside to this one is when you had your fence attached to it, you had to remove your fence to take this away, which caused a few people some issues. And you know, it was a product that worked but had its downsides. So after our investment of some new machinery, we were now able to come up with the Mk2 fence dogs. So the Mk2 fence dogs is a very similar design, but it has the offset holes here for tightening in the quad dog, which allows you to then put it in the holes and then tighten from here, then locking that in place without having to remove the fence. To do that, you can undo this here with your fence attached and take it out. So a lot of questions are asked that with our workstations and our MFT3 tops and all our custom tops that we make, which is the best fence dog for them? Well, it's a personal preference, but in my opinion, you only need the standard dog. This one's a cheaper version because you don't have to pay for all these other accessories. And plus, when we make our tables, we make these tables perfect, that they are a perfect fit with no wobble whatsoever. When using these ones on our tables, these would be quite tight, but still work nonetheless. As you can see, in there nice and solid. And then when to remove, you don't have to turn the dog, you just turn the thumb screw. All of our dogs come with the same fixings. Comes with a thumb screw and a T-nut for your fence system. You only need the T-nut to be on the tip to allow you to get it in here and to allow you to tighten it. And once it's in and once it's all tightened, it then gives you enough thread to then lock into place. And there you have it. There is our fence dogs. Thanks for watching.